Now see here question here, the cylindrical tube of a spray pump has a cross section of 8 centimeter square, and now one of which has 40 fine holes, each of diameter 1 millimeter. If the liquid flow inside the tube is 1.5 meter per minute, what is the speed of ejection of the liquid through the holes? See here, this is like this is here, the tube is here, and now it is connected to here this part where the 40 fine holes are here like this. Liquid is coming from here and then it is coming out through these holes. So now I have to get the velocity of the ejection here, till with what velocity liquid is coming out through the holes. We can take first A1, A1 is equal to 8 centimeter square, that is 8 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. Now we can get A2, A2 is the actually area of these 40 fine holes. So we can write 40 into pi into here r square. R is given to you here, the diameter is given to us 1 millimeter. So r can be written here 1 by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter, and in that is here 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter. So we can write 40 into pi into 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. Now V1 is given to you here 1.5 meter per minute, so we can convert into per second, and now we have to calculate V2. Use this equation, A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. So V2 is equal to A1 V1 divided by A2. So now if you put the values of A1 V1, you will be getting here 8 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into, that is V1 is 1.5 divided by 60, this 60 here downside, and now we can write in place of A2 this area. So that is 40 pi into 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 square. Now by solving, putting the value of pi and solving this equation or this value, you will be getting V2 is equal to 0.637 meter per second.